Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change BPM in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the options you have for accessing, such as your instruments right here, you have the audio recorder as well, and so on. And now let's go and see how to get started with changing the BPM of our track. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my track. So I'm going to do that by opening up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle to start recording and so on. What we want to do is go into our tracks. So in the upper left corner, click this middle button. That's going to open up your track settings where we can now find all the tracks we have. So you can see here are my audio recordings, I have my keyboard, drums, and so on, and now I can get started changing the BPM. So basically right here in the upper right corner, you want to click on the settings icon. After clicking on the settings icon, this is now going to open up your track settings where you can find your tempo, time signature, key signature. So basically your BPM is going to be your tempo. So you can select your tempo right here, select it and set it to whatever you want to set your new BPM. You can also change your key signature and your time signature to get your desired effect and your desired BPM. After that, just exit out of the settings and it's going to be automatically applied to your tracks. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.